This is an advertisement for Moose Toys.
HobbyKids surprise toys!
Ew, look at our disgusting fridge. It's a giant surprise fridge full of giant disgusting surprises. There's even something hiding inside the drawers. Let's have the Hobby Kids open up one of these disgusting grocery game surprise eggs. Can you take the grocery game challenge? Ew! What's inside your surprise eggs? Put your hand inside to dig out the surprise. That's the challenge for today's grossness. Ready, set, go!
I found one! I found it!
I don't have
Yes!
Oh, mud! He looks thoroughly grossed out. Hobby Bear, did you find yours? It's getting everywhere.
Ugh! It's getting on my shirt now!
Oh! You find it?
No, not here. Surprise!
It's bug guts. Ew! Can Hobby Bear find the surprise? Feel it?
I do feel it.
Now we're doing some finger painting. This is fun. Whoa! He got it! Hobby Dad to the rescue with the HobbyKidsTV magic cleaning bucket. Put your prizes inside and they get all nice and clean.
What about us?
We'll just throw you in the bath. 1, 2, 3. Shake, 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 shake.
We magically teleported here and the eggs are clean!
Yay!
What's that? Chocolate bar!
It's the crusty chocolate bar. Let's see what little surprises we got.
I hope we get either a rare one or a special edition one or a limited edition one. Let's see if we got an ultra rare one. Ooh,
He's fuzzy.
no way.
What?
Green is ultra rare.
Did we get an ultra rare one?
Yep, the green flies are ultra rare.
Whoa, he's fuzzy. Our first one that we got is ultra rare. That is epic sauce.
Ow, ow, ow.
Oh, they're getting a brown slime bath. Disgustingly gross. Oh, they crashed.
Hello, I just ate an ultra rare grocery game. Oh, thank you, Hobby Bear. Nom nom nom. So cool, we got an ultra rare one.
I know, it's awesome. We've just started our collection. I cleaned more grossness out of our gross giant fridge. Open your eyes for the next surprise. Ew! It's green slime boogers! Gross. Rotten surprise. It's gross. Ready, set, go! Ew! Oh, the smell! Ugh!
I'm too slippery.
No, no!
Come on, Hobby Bear, you can do it! Ah, come on, you can do it! Yay! You did it!
All these years.
Ooh, look, guys!
It's sticky soda. Sticky soda.
Time to put them in our magic washing machine. 1, 2, 3. Shake, shake, shake.
How did I get here? Well, we teleported and we're clean now.
Yay! You can collect common, rare, ultra rare, and special edition. Oh, that's cute. We got another popcorn guy.
Yeah.
Stinky soda. Ooh, look, there's a mystery one in each one.
Look, a puzzle game.
Hey hobby friends, how do you hang with your grocery gang?
I'm opening it! Yay! Pie in the face.
That's cute. I love their little eyeballs.
And I'm a cookie.
Pukey cookie.
And I'm a cookie. And
Oh, he just fell off. Uh-oh.
me too!
Ah!
Do you see that little ant that's surfing on the soda?
I do. Give a thumbs up if you guys can see the little ant surfing on the soda.
Surfing.
What surprise one did you get?
Maybe sticky. The sticky ones are good. Another rare one.
Ooh, what's his name?
Unfrozen pizza.
Yep, that looks about right.
Pizza time. Pizza time.
Are you guys ready?
We're totally ready.
Yeah. Let's do this. Ready? Aim. Fire!
You guys are disgusting.
Oh, thank you.
Gross, to be exact.
Much better. Thank you, Hobby Mom.
No problem, little Shopkins.
We will be back.
Bloggy get you. You will.
Let's get out the next gross surprise. It's the mushy slushy. Ooh, bum, 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 bum.
They're exclusive slushy groceries. You guys ready? Let's open up and have some fun! Yay! Those things are super cool and super gross. Right? Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, did you know if you put one here, you could launch them here. So like, here it needs to be.
Can you launch it in the cup?
Oh, I had it on my nose. Well, I'm gonna put them in here. Oh, you know, I think cup here. Oh, put some more groceries in this. It's groceries. It's stable.
Check out the Grocery Gang animated series on the Grocery Gang YouTube channel.
Let's see if we could get one in the mushy slushy cup. Oh, I want salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper. Oh.
Oh! Let's take this pizza and put some sauce on it. You like pizza with sauce?
Open your eyes for the next gross surprise. It's marinara madness. You can do it. You guys can do it all together. Help each other. Come on. Disgusting. Gross.
There.
Ew. Let's put our surprise grocery gang into the bucket.
Both have slippery hands.
Oh, splatter-tastic. Shake, 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 make it clean. Mega amounts of grocery gang corny chips to open up. Are you guys excited to see all the ones we get?
Yeah.
Yeah, baby.
This is disgusting awesome.
Look at the packaging mayhem. We went berserko for the grocery gang.
It has a weird nose. Oh wait, that's my finger. He's eating me! Ah! They have surprise grocery boxes.
And look, they have these cute little eyeballs on there. Look.
We're not cute. Oh.
Oh, which one did you get?
Pizza.
Aw, did you get pizza? He looks like a rotten pizza.
I know one.
Another one. Man, we got so many.
We got another sticky one.
Another one?
Yeah.
That is hilarious. It sticks. How does it do that? Look, I see his little eyeballs. Oh, that is so funny.
my size.
All the surprises we get to open up.
Oh, we have another one. We have another one.
We got 2 limited editions. That's amazing. The Grocery Tower of Terror. Can you pull one out without tipping it over? Oh no, it's not looking good. Ah, maybe. Did you do it?
Check this out.
Hobby Frog finished it off.
We got another ultra rare.
That is so cool.
Save one, but we got another one. All right, hopefully this is. We got it.
What?
Oh my goodness.
What do we get?
Berry. Another sticky one.
Oh, that's so cool.
Gummy bear. That'd be gummy bear. Special edition one. Got another one. Mucky buttercup. We have 2 of these guys.
That's so cool. So I'm gonna throw this and see if it sticks. Ready?
Check this out.
Oh, look, it's stuck straight up. He landed on his feet. I think he's part cat. Going back for more cleanup. What's hiding inside the disgusting drawer? It's another grocery gang. Your shopping's gone rotten. It's the Yucky Mart. Ew.
By me.
Okay.
Hi, welcome to my store. I would like to buy this hot dog.
Would you like to drink with that?
Yeah.
Oh, I did it again. It does that if the food isn't fresh. Hey, you want something else?
Yeah.
He's a cold hot dog. I have to put him in the microwave.
You can buy the Grocery Gang at Walmart, Target, and Toys R Us.
Oh, it exploded.
Another hot dog? What other food do you guys have? Oh, I've got a lot.
Hobby Bear, we need to stock the shelves again.
That wasn't yummy.
I'm here.
Ow.
Oh, I landed like that. Can you see the Grocery Gang hanging out in the vile aisles? They're past their expiration dates, ew, and turned into stinky, filthy fun. There's over 150 to find at the Yucky Mart. See if you can collect them all and leave us your comments of the grossest ones you have. They're the grossest collectible characters from the Yucky Mart. Open your eyes for the next grocery surprise.
What's this?
It's putrid, gross, and rotten. Ew!
No.
You can do it. Ready, set, get your surprises! Disgusting.
We got a collection cup.
Awesome! We got 2 of them! And another stinky soda.
Oh, why do they have stinky sodas like that? I don't know, but this is all fun.
Time for the HobbyKidsTV washing bucket. Make it clean. They're not icky, stinky, or green. Shake, shake, shake. Do the hobby shake. Do the hobby shake.
All right, let's see if it's clean. Are our surprises clean? Oh, they are. Oh, these things are gonna be so cool. We're gonna have an awesome ocean adventure. You guys ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's start with Hobby Bear.
That.
Ooh, you got a crate with some cool ice cube guys.
Yeah.
Let's check them out. Those little bugs inside the ice cube. That's gross and cool at the same time, right? Yeah. All right, so let's make them the pirate crew. Is that cool? And this will be their pirate ship. Yar, let's set sail, matey. He's the captain.
We got another sticky soda can.
Ooh, sticky soda. Let's see the guys. Ooh, those are some cool guys. I wonder what the mystery guy is gonna be.
don't know.
Oh, I want to find out. So these are the ones that were inside, and oh, we got a mystery one. What is it?
We got an ultra rare one.
Oh, wow. That's like a fuzzy pumpkin.
It is a fuzzy.
Oh, man. That's so cool. You know what? He'll probably be a really good captain for the attack submarine soda can. That's why we're going to make this thing. Put in the crew and the captain.
Ow, ow.
Let's go to the ocean, boys. Ooh, I wonder if you got some cool ice cube guys too, you think?
Oh.
Cool, so you've got the same ice cube bugs, and they're in these cool crates. That's awesome. So they are going to be your pirate crew.
Yay!
Get on board, mateys. Let's go sailing. Let's see if your pirate ships can get in the water. Now, fight!
Sail away!
Oh, they're crashing and smashing. Oh no! He's gone into the deep. Throw a life preserver cart. Oh, I think I accidentally hit him. Here's another one. Oh, more of them. Here's a cat. Oh no! That must mean Hobby Frog's submarine wins.
And it blew up.
Press one of these videos to keep the amazing fun going.